guys, it's your girl Amourterrace, and I'm back with another video. Look at this hair, y'all. So I went for like a summer curl. This hair is from Yyong hair. This is a 13 by 6 frontal. This is 3 bundles of 18 inches and a frontal that is 10 inches. So yeah, in this wig, I made this wig myself. In this wig, I only put 2 bundles. Yeah, I only put 2 bundles because the frontal is already 13 by 6, so it takes up more of the lace. It takes up more of the cap. So I didn't put a lot of bundles, and I really wanted it to be as natural as possible. So I didn't put all the bundles in. The hairline is great. The hairline comes pre-plucked, but I went in and plucked it even more because I really wanted it to be natural. This is like the most natural thing I'm trying to go for. So I went in and I plucked it, and I did not bleach my knots. I didn't have to bleach my knots because my knots were very small. So I was gonna bleach it, but I was like, no, let me try something different and see if I can, really lay it down. And girl, I think I did a good job. My last video, your girl, that was her first time, but sweetie, I guess the second time is a charm. But I'm gonna shut up so you guys can watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
You mean to me? Whoever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say. Never say never. I can't believe they stop our happiness, but trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe that you and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah, there were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never, said never. Whatever thought of God, one girl like me, I am that I will fall so easily. Finally come to be. I guess they just don't know what you mean to me. Whoever thought that they would have so much to say? Go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Do whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. Got 3 words to say. Never say never. Now there's a lot of talking going round about the way me and you get down. What are they jealous or they hate me? I guess they all have their own PhD. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me.